So what is a Krausen Kollar, and why would you use it with the Small Batch Brew Kit? The Krausen Kollar is a plastic sleeve designed to fit inside the small batch fermenter, effectively extending the height of the fermenting vessel. There are some brews that produce more foam in the early stages of fermentation, like high alcohol beers, darker brews, or beers with a more vigorous fermenting yeast strain. If you're planning on making any of these, you should use the Krausen Kollar. It will increase the effective headspace and make cleaning much easier. You can buy a Krausen Kollar for your small batch kit at DIYbeer.com. After you have prepared your brew, and before adding the yeast, fit the Krausen Kollar by sliding it into the fermenter until it sits in place. Then sprinkle the dry yeast evenly over the surface and fit the lid to the Krausen Kollar with the lid clips. Be sure not to clip the Krausen Kollar to the fermenter. As the foam reaches its peak, this will vary from brew to brew, you may notice the Krausen Kollar and lid moving up and down in a piston-like movement. This allows CO2 to escape the brew. On day 3 of fermentation, or when the foam has subsided, remove the Krausen Kollar for cleaning and replace the lid for the remainder of the fermentation process. To make cleanup easy, you can place your Krausen Kollar in the dishwasher. Like all your brewing equipment, you'll need to sanitize before use. The first time you use the Krausen Kollar, you can simply rinse it in warm water. For future brews though, make sure you sanitize your Krausen Kollar and all your other brewing equipment. For more how-to videos, FAQs, beer recipes, online brewing tools, including a community forum to chat to thousands of brewers across the globe and more, visit DIYbeer.com today.